What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today we doing an update, Showtime transmission rebuild. Y'all see it, man. Y'all seen the thumbnail, man. Big Meech transmission ready. People really thought I've been sitting still. No, man. It might be something different with Big Meech right now, but folks don't know. Y'all can't believe, man. I've been sitting still, man, and thought it was all over with. Y'all can't believe that. But anyway, we finna head down to Showtime transmission rebuilds, man. Y'all know, hit them up, get at them. Showtime transmission rebuild power. We got a real unit right now. We got a real unit we about to pick up. This is a grown man transmission, but Meech gonna need it. So, man, I'm finna hop in the car hot. Had to give y'all the intro. I see y'all. Right, y'all. Right back at it. Right back at it, man. Long trip, isn't that? Semi long trip. It wasn't that bad, y'all. We over here Showtime transmission rebuilds. Let me get that sign. Let me get that good sign. Let me get that good sign, man. Y'all can get that contact information. Y'all can get that contact information right there. Y'all make sure to hit the number up, and he'll get you right. Like I said, Mile to Wild, Showtime. This is one of the facilities. He got another one too. Like I said, they do installs and all, the whole nine, man. I gotta stay out here because they got the music going and all that. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. So we're gonna get this bad unit in a minute, and y'all gonna see this thing. We're gonna load the thing up, put it in the trunk, and we're gonna get it back to the house and see what it do. Matter of fact, I need to move. Hey, man, these the best Summit tears ever right here. These double tears right here, man. I'm telling y'all, this it. This it. But I love them tears. I'm gonna get some more. Summit Racing, man. Get you them double tears, man. I'm telling you, they come in handy. They got little mini coolers in them and everything. So you know, free promo, Summit. Some more free promo. But yeah, that thing get right there. We're gonna take this thing back to the house, add to the collection and all that. So y'all make sure y'all stay. All right, y'all look, man. With the shelf, y'all know every time I come over here, he got them ready to go, man. Got them ready to go. They in here working. They in here working now, knocking them out. Man, I'm talking about everything you need. Like I said, from Mile to Wild. He can get your converters, everything. You know, so you can come, you can get your transmission and you can come ready to install. You really ain't got to go nowhere. You can come get it installed at the other shop and all that. So, you know, 700s, 350s, 6L80s, 4L80s, 4L60s, everything, man. Long tail, short tail, said converters and all, man. Everything ready to go. Say tag you up, ship nationwide. Y'all, some of y'all coming on over here, man. I told y'all. There we go. We got a little smaller unit right there, performance converter. Definitely a 60 or 80. Well, 61 let me see. 4L70. It's a 4L70. Somebody finna get that work. So, man, you know, said ready to go, man. Bunch of one that gotta get done and all that. Say all the time, man. We just staying super busy all the time, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all hit that number and get on over here. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Since I'm over here at Showtime, man, I got to show love to the subscribers, man, the supporters or whatever, you know, especially people that watch every day and support. So this Bobby, man, he had hit me. He told me the truck down here at Showtime. He said if I come through, he said I got the green light, you can film everything. So Showtime transmission, rebuilds, getting them right, getting them together. What we got going on, DJ?
Man, we got a 700 we built for Bobby, 700 HD build. Bobby put it in. He called me, he said, DJ, he said, man, Bluebell ain't running right. I said, well, Bobby, bring me the whole truck. Bobby drove from Virginia, no, South Carolina or Virginia.
South Carolina, I think, yeah, I think South Carolina.
He drove all the way there, he got the transmission. He brought me the whole truck back there. He said, DJ, get it right. Just get it right for if I want to drive Bluebell home. So, old Bluebell on the lift, we're going back in with it today. Man, I'm very thankful for a customer like him, man, because he's very patient. And, man, it's just hard to find a good customer like that. But all my customers good, but it's just when you call and you got an issue and you got a level head about everything, it just makes the process so much better. And I want to give a shout out to Bobby for that, man. Because everything, I ain't going to say everything we leave out of here perfect, but I try my best to make sure everything perfect when it leave. Might miss one or two things, but hey, that's why my name on it. I take care of you. That's how I got where I'm at. I'm gonna make sure my customer happy when they leave.
Exactly.
But we have Bluebell running this evening, man. I'm gonna drive it for a day or two, and we gonna drive it back to doggone South Carolina, man. In the wind. So y'all seeing two going at it, man. Old Bobby.
That's it, man. That's it. Look, it's on the way back. It's on the way back. This is a solid truck too, man. Like I said, they great customer service. So if it's an issue, they always make it right. Always, man. Family owned and operated, man. You gotta love it. So I'm giving a shout out to my guy Bobby, man. Good dude for real. Like I said, he got it's a solid little truck, man. Solid short bed. Want to see how this thing come together, and it will be driven back. It'll be driven back. So I said when I come over here, I'm gonna show him some love. Here it is, man. So y'all show love to Bobby in the comments and all that, and we're gonna check back in with y'all. We checking in. So man, I want to show y'all my little tool haul. I had went the other day, man. I went to get a 12-point socket. Ended up with all of this, and I just put some of it up. One thing up, so I was like, man, let me go and show. But I just got some I got some 3/8 drive long deep well socket, cause I ain't have them both standard and metric. We got these wrenches, cause I've been wanting some of these, the real long wrenches, the extended ones. We can put some leverage on them. So I got these. Then I bought another set of wrenches. They're regular length, but I thought about it. I was like, man, I don't know what happened to all my regular wrenches. They grow feet, let people borrow stuff, this and that, your toolbox. So, you know, sometimes the ratchet end just too big, so you need a regular side boxed end to get on there. So I bought a set of wrenches too, standard and metric to handle that. So I just put those up, and I had took this out. It came with a ratchet. These just regular 3/8 drive, just a regular length. And I was just gonna buy just the sockets only, but then I like cheaper to buy the socket with the ratchet. So I got some extra ratchet, then bought a 1/2-inch drive, regular length, cause I got deep wells. So that was my little tool haul, you know, Harbor Freight. I went in there to buy one socket, came out with $170 some worth of stuff. But this is that bad unit. Alternator I still got to put on the truck. Sitting over there, I got parts everywhere. But this that bad Showtime transmission unit, man. TH400, best of the best. People be asking me what the stuff run, man. What the stuff run. I need to start telling y'all price. So if you get this exact unit right here, it's gonna run you about $2,300. I'm telling you now. If you go to DJ or whatever, you go anywhere, it's gonna run you probably more than that, but this gonna run you $2,300 if you get a unit like this. It got some grown man stuff in it, but it just costs that much. Cost it's a other power level Big Meech gonna be putting out. So this is you know, I got a TA400 in Dolo. but it doesn't have an ultra bell because it's really not needed. It's rated for some good power, but Dolo don't make the power Meech are about to be making, so don't need all that. So you know, we got different tail shaft. It's all, trust me, they match for some reason. So then you can buy the whole case at some time like that. Yeah, I mean, you can buy the whole case if you want to, which take it even more. Take it up even more. But this piece right here, $400 by itself. Then the trim brake and valve body set up in there about another. It's $800 in just 2 pieces. Then you start getting the other stuff in and all that. So this is trans brake, full manual valve body. Like I said, Dolo don't have a trans brake, foot brake car, but this got a trans brake in it. It's gonna be needed and all of that. And it just got some good stuff, man. Ultra bell. It's just ready to go. Showtime transmission power. Y'all hit that number. Hit the number. I ain't got to put it on screen. There go the information right there. Like I said, then got the shout out. Got the shout out. Put y'all right here, cause it bright. Got the shout out my guy Bobby, man. Like I said, he got his truck down there and all of that. So you know, I want to show him some love. All that stuff, this for big. But we got the transmission, man, for Meech. So all I can say is stay tuned. That's all I can tell y'all, man. Just stay tuned into the vlog channel. Shout out to my people that watch every day. Like I said, I was on Dolo and John for a second. So you know, you have to just pick it, bounce around. I got five cars, so I like to bounce around and work on 2 at a time and all of that. And y'all know brown coat is at the paint shop, so ain't really too much you can do with that. Only thing brown coat got to get done is put a nitrous kit on, and that truck they're done. Nitrous kit and a tune, that'll be done in 1 day, and I'll be getting that done as soon as I get it back. So as soon as I get it back, it'll probably be leaving to get that done, cause I'm finna have my hands full of other stuff. So yeah, man, you know, and we just keeping it rolling, man. We just keeping it rolling. I appreciate the real one that tune in every day. I appreciate the stalkers that tune in too, even though they're crazy. But you know, like I said, I'll probably put it just be so hot, man. I probably put the 6s back on Big Dolo. Cause like I said, I'm just chilling right now. I might put the 6s back on Big Dolo and stuff. Mount it back up. I put the 15s on for right now. And I still, every time I look at this stuff, I gotta go get this shipping quote, man, for my guy, man. I got somebody inquired about this suspension setup that was on Dolo. The old stuff still sitting right here. The only thing got sold with the rear shocks. I gotta get that shipping quote. When wifey car get here, we're gonna get the AC stuff put on. That's the condenser for a car in the line, and all. Then the system gotta be charged. She'll have AC. Shout out to Rick for giving us that. Like I said, he let us have it. So, and the condenser brand spanking new. So we gotta get that put on her car. When it come back, it'll probably be back this week. So you know, that's what's going on. I need to dig my intake out, my little part bin over there with Dolo old part. I gotta dig that intake out, cause we're gonna use it for the R&B Cutlass build. You should have saw that video yesterday. Finna take Dolo old block. Like I said, I already got it out the engine stand. I told you I'm finna get stuff on the way. I got Dolo block out the engine stand. Finna take it so we can get the stuff done. I gotta get the parts first. I got it done. I'm gonna go ahead and get it clean and stuff, but then I'm gonna have to go get the crankshaft and all that stuff so we can have it balanced. Rings, gotta get everything to get it balanced. Rings, bearings, to get it balanced to the T. So I'm gonna go get all that to have it balanced, and go ahead and have it clearance, have the block clearance for the stroker crankshaft and all of that. But you know, we rolling, man. We rolling. But like I said, we got this bad unit right here. We got this bad unit, man. I can't wait. Stick this thing in the car. Stick this bad boy in the car, man. We gonna shake, rattle, and roll. That's all I can say. So yeah, man, keeping y'all in the loop with everything. Like I said, shout out to DJ, Showtime transmission power, all the time. So yeah, man, that's it. I'm finna get these tools put up, cause they've been sitting in the floor for about a week. I bought them a week ago. I just ain't put them on video. I'm finna get these tools put up, man. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or tomorrow, but I'm probably gonna go ahead and get the tire switched over on John John, cause I've been wanting to drive it. But it still got the radials on it. So I'm gonna take the radials off. Cause I don't plan on going to track probably for another couple of weeks with that. Like I said, I'm finna fool with the Cutlass a little bit. I went to the track 2 weeks straight, multiple times. So I'm finna take the tires off of the Camaro. I probably got a couple of ride reactions set up too with the Camaro and the truck when it come back. So yeah, man, that's what we got going on, y'all. So that's it for today's video. We're gonna have a truck update tomorrow. I'll be going to check on brown coat and all of that good stuff. So that's it, y'all. Appreciate y'all, BCG.